Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about the carbon cycle, and these are the last topic of chapter number 14, ecosystem, and these are biogeochemical cycles. So biogeochemical cycles are of two types. Talking about biogeochemical cycles, these are of two types. One we have is gaseous. Second we have is sedimentary. Third we have are hybrid. Hybrid cycles are also present in these conditions, in natural conditions. These biogeochemicals are also known as natural nutrient cycles. Clear with this? Natural nutrient cycles. Now see, अगर हम बात करते हैं इकोसिस्टम में से क्वेश्चंस की, द कंप्लीट इकोलॉजी कंटेन ऑफ 14 मार्क्स एंड जिसमें से नीट का जो पार्ट है उसमें 10 या 12 क्वेश्चंस जो है इकोलॉजी से आते हैं. दैट इज इक्विवेलेंट टू ईदर 40 मार्क्स और 48 मार्क्स. ठीक है, आउट ऑफ टोटल 360. क्लियर दिस? सो whenever we talk about the gaseous condition, और इसमें से क्वेश्चन जो है काफी बार देखा गया है, एक साल छोड़ के एक साल क्वेश्चन जो रिपीट होते हैं. So I'm gonna also tell you कि which type of questions are included in NEET from these complete biogeochemical cycles or nutrient cycles. Talking about gaseous one, anything which is present in the environment and can be regulated from the environment are known as gaseous cycles. One we have is carbon cycle. Second in this regard is nitrogen cycle. Third is hydrogen यानी H2O, and fourth is oxygen. अब देखिए, whenever we talk about the carbon and nitrogen, these two are very much important for a plant, and water and oxygen are also responsible for. Oxygen is particularly a waste material and also produced during photosynthesis. So oxygen cycle को हम plants के लिए एक बार के लिए साइड में रख सकते हैं. Talking about water, either present or not present, दोनों की कंडीशन में वाटर जो है काम करता है. बट वाटर साइकिल्स को हम इस तरीके से नहीं पढ़ते बिकॉज वाटर इज द नॉन न्यूट्रिएंट मटेरियल. ठीक है, एक्चुअली ऑल ऑफ दीज फोर आर नॉन न्यूट्रिएंट्स बिकॉज द रीजन बिहाइंड कॉलिंग द नॉन न्यूट्रिएंट एलिमेंट्स इज दैट दे डू नॉट अपटेकन फ्रॉम द सॉइल, और जो भी सॉइल से अपटेक नहीं किया जाता उसे हम नॉन मिनरल्स या नॉन न्यूट्रिएंट मिनरल्स बोलते हैं. दीज आर द बेसिक. अब इसमें हम कार्बन पढ़ेंगे. नाइट्रोजन साइकिल हमने क्लास 11th में पढ़ ली थी. इन दोनों को हम इस कंडीशन में नहीं पढ़ते हैं. सेडिमेंट्री साइकिल में इन योर क्लास +2 इकोलॉजी देयर इज ओनली वन एंड दैट इज फॉस्फोरस. क्लियर विद दिस? फॉस्फोरस साइकिल. हाइब्रिड कंडीशंस में यू हैव सल्फर. सो इट कैन बी सेडिमेंट्री, it can also be gaseous cycle, and it can be sedimentary, it can also be gaseous cycle, but the major proportion of sulfur which is uptaken by a plant is from the environment, from air. So it is present in environment in both of these, यानी ये sedimentary lithosphere के अंदर भी और gaseous in atmosphere के अंदर भी present होती है, but plant जो है इसे gaseous form में ज्यादा uptake करता है. Is it clear? Okay. So we are gonna study about these three. Questions from sulfur cycle is never asked. Question from phosphorus cycle, carbon cycle and nitrogen cycle is often asked. और इसमें से भी जो क्लास 11th में आपने मिनरल न्यूट्रिशन किया था, नाइट्रोजन साइकिल वाज इन वेरी मच डिटेल, जिसको आप चेकआउट कर सकते हैं क्लास 11 मिनरल न्यूट्रिशन प्लेलिस्ट से. और चलिए शुरू करेंगे. अभी फिलहाल के लिए वी आर गोना स्टार्ट विद द कार्बन साइकिल. So the carbon cycle is, first of all, carbon. Why it is used? Carbon is the main backbone of every chemical. Clear? Every chemical, amino acid, carbohydrate, fats, proteins. Then we have vitamins. जो भी चीज का आप नाम लेंगे तो सब चीजों के अंदर कार्बन प्रेजेंट है as a backbone, and there is 49% of dry mass. 49% of dry matter of any organism is made up from the carbon. What is dry matter? Why it is calculated? Because it is best suitable biomass unit taking as dry matter because of removal of water, because of removal of molecular water which is present, or the water which is present inside if moved out. So that is dry matter. Apart from this, 4 into 10 raised to power 13 kg carbon is fixed every year, is fixed every year by photosynthesis. And 70% of this carbon, or you can say CO2, because which is the main carbon source present in any environment, in our environment, any environment, we do not give a damn about any environment. Carbon dioxide is main carbon source in atmosphere present, and its concentration is particularly 0.001%. Clear with this? In the environment. बता तो देते, ठीक है, 0.01%. Clear with this? But still 70% of this carbon dioxide is fixed in ocean. Now, this was a question in NEET 2005 or 2007, I think. Carbon dioxide, 70% of amount of carbon dioxide or carbon is fixed in, नीचे दिए गए थे 4 ऑप्शन, लिथोस्फेयर, एटमॉस्फेयर, by photosynthesis, in ocean. So correct answer will be in ocean. Clear with this? After this we have, now this was the fixation part, and every single thing which is present in your NCERT, let me check NCERT, ये complete हो चुका है. So इसके बाद आती है directly हमारे पास the carbon cycle. It is a gaseous type of cycle and the main source of input. See, every cycle which is present in environment have a certain input and output. Clear? Input and output. So input in any biogeochemical cycle, in case of carbon cycle, is atmosphere. Clear with this? In case of carbon cycle, atmosphere is input and it is having carbon dioxide present in environment. Clear with this? Now, carbon dioxide is uptaken by producer. So it is uptaken by producer, or there can be chemical combination. So these two things are for the fixation of carbon. कार्बन को प्रोड्यूसर भी फिक्स करते हैं और केमिकल कंबशन भी फिक्स करता है, जिससे केमिकल कंबशन जो है वहां से बनते हैं कार्बोनेट rocks. Clear this? This chemical combination forms carbonate rocks, and these carbonate rocks are present in a volcano. So whenever any volcanic eruption happens, the carbon is moved out into the carbon dioxide of environment. Clear with this? Now this producer, what can happen with producer? This producer can be eaten by consumer. One thing. Second, this consumer can die and waste can be produced. This consumer can be fossilized. These three things. Clear with this? This consumer, one, waste material, two, that is litter, or this producer can be fossilized. Now, fossilization always undergo combustion. इससे क्या बनते हैं? फॉसिल फ्यूल्स. This fossil fuel combustion and combustion will always gives out CO2. Clear with this? Okay. Now we have the waste material which can also undergo combustion. Again going into as carbon dioxide in environment. These consumers can also be fossilized. Waste material. Now, producer can be a waste material, but consumer can also be a waste material. Clear with this? The consumer can also be a waste material. और यहां से दो चीजें हो सकती हैं. एक है direct burning. Without fossilization, the plant can undergo direct burning. लकड़ियां जो जलती हैं वो. So this will give out carbon dioxide. Apart from this, we have respiration. The producers respire, the consumer respire, and there is one more thing that is added into this is microorganism. Microbes. So consumer after death can go to microbes. Producer after death or waste can undergo to decomposition by microbes, and aerobic respiration will always lead to formation of two things: water, molecular water, and carbon dioxide. So there are two ways of fixing carbon dioxide which is present in the environment. One is chemical combination, second is producer, and there are 5 different ways of output. Clear with this? There is one source of input, that is environment, and there are 5 different sources of output: volcanic eruptions, combustion, microorganism decomposition. लिख देता हूं. Respiration and burning. These 5 are output sources. So, thank you so much everyone for today. Tomorrow we can study about the phosphorus cycle and ecological environmental services that we are taking. और इसका एक छोटा सा एस्टिमेटेड जो भी स्टडीज हैं याद रखिएगा, उसमें से भी क्वेश्चंस आ जाते हैं. जो भी आपके एनसीईआरटी में दिया हुआ है सब पे, चाहे वो डाटा पुराना है चाहे वो कैसा भी है, अब एनसीईआरटी अपडेट नहीं हो रही तो उसमें स्टूडेंट की गलती नहीं है, बट स्टिल they are giving the questions based on the data that is provided in the ecology. याद करने के लिए इन चैप्टर्स में से आपके पास सिर्फ और सिर्फ डाटा है, प्लस कुछ बहुत सिंपल प्रोसेसेस हैं जो आप छोटी क्लासेस से भी पढ़ते आए हैं. थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन. मेक श्योर टू गिव अ थम्स अप.